Did you like it there? Yeah.
Yeah, I like it on the top land.
Shoot, they're saying something right now. Wow. Why is my vlog has to... It's better? Alright. Good morning, guys. So, as you heard that, I don't know what that was, but we are about to eat breakfast soon. So, I'll see you guys there. Alright. So, we have an a la carte for breakfast today.
Good morning, vlog. It's Wednesday.
So it used to be a buffet, but now since the virus, they're doing a la carte. So they're gonna bring us the food so we don't go up. Alright guys, so I have my cheesy bread. And my mom got her oatmeal again. They gave us so much juice. We have water, hot chocolate, fresh watermelon juice, and fresh orange juice.
We're spoiled.
Yeah, but there's no way I could finish it all.
So we're gonna stop in front. This is all original vegetation for this area. So there's some areas they are protected like this. So you see a slum there, but the viewpoint we're going is very close. So you're gonna see the slum from there.
Rice. It's like Lacey and Max, they're pulling the leash. It's a cool gourmet bar right there.
Copacabana, there's a lot of local Brazilian tourists.
This is a dog park.
Yeah.
There's a dog park.
Yes.
And there's the basketball court.
You see the signs there?
Oh yeah.
There's so many dogs on the right side. Oh, yeah.
And the basketball courts here. And I live inside here.
Oh, this one here?
Yeah, not at this building, but there is a park inside of the buildings. Yeah, so.
That's so cool.
Yeah, yesterday was terrible.
I'm gonna go there. Okay, vlog. So we're here, the helicopter. water, she said there was gonna be wind, and so she's like, there will be turbulence and it'll move around a bit, but she said it's perfectly safe.
Yep.
So
The assurance was good, but I had butterfly stomach.
it was fun though.
Yes, it was so much fun. Oh my gosh, to see the whole view in helicopter. Ooh, it's the best. Among the best.
We also met driver's daughters, Amanda and Olivia.
Yes, they're
And
cute. Yes.
they rode the helicopter.
Yeah.
So those are the twin brothers from the helicopter. Someone is rappelling. There's Sheraton. So we're here at one of the beaches, and look at this. It's so beautiful here. It's so pretty. Beautiful it is here. Look at this dog. Oh my gosh. Look at this beautiful place in Rio. Oh, it's going in the water. Oh my gosh. This is also Rio. I would have never known this is Rio, guys. Look how beautiful it is. Oh, the dog is peeing or pooing. Oh. Hi. No, don't eat it. Come here. Shoes. Oh, he's going into the water. Oh. Oh. So cute. Okay. He's so cute.
Where are you from?
California.
Oh, I was in San Diego.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Did you like it there? Yeah.
Yeah, I like it. Upland.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh.
Vacation.
Yeah.
We're leaving here.
We're tomorrow.
You're going tomorrow?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Yeah.
Where are you? Here in Brazil, where you are?
First Iguazu, and then here. in Rio.
Brazil.
Yeah. We're like in the middle of the jungle.
This kind of forest, it's what we call Atlantic forest.
Atlantic.
Yeah, we call Atlantic forest because gets a lot of moisture from the Atlantic Sea.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah, and this was the original coverage that was here when the Portuguese arrived 500 years ago. Unfortunately, today we have less than 4% only of the original coverage.
Wow. It's McDonald's. So they changed the flowers. Look at this now, it's pretty. Hey vlog, so it's currently 6:19 right now and my mom and I went shopping for stuff. So I will be showing you guys something like a shopping haul. And I'm gonna go pretty fast because I have some homework. But yeah, the first thing we got was a luggage. It's pretty big to hold all of our souvenirs. And next, we got a bunch of Havaiana flip-flops for a bunch of people. And I'm not gonna say who, so you guys don't know yet. We got this one, this is the fourth one. How's this? Number 5. We have another bag because we bought a lot. This is the next pair. This is the 7th pair. 8, 9, it was like that, and 10. And last but not least, we got this. Started off with these. We got this hat. It's a Brazilian hat and it says Brazil. We got this. I forgot what this is. Oh yeah, we got stickers. These 2 stickers. Then I also got some bracelets. They all say Brazil, so we have this one, or most of them say Brazil. This is the 5th and the 6th, the 7th, 8th, and the 9th, and the 10th. And I got this one. The next one, we got a Brazilian shirt. Who number 10 is. I don't know who number 10 is, but we got that. And it's like sporty kind of jersey. We got the same shirt, except this one's like normal cloth. We got 2 of those. It's just different colors. We got this bag. We got 2 of these. This. I don't know if you can see it, but it's Lido Souvenirs. Oh yeah, we got 2 magnets that are the same. We're gonna keep one and we're gonna give one away. But yeah, these are what they look like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a long day today, but please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye!